to if y equal to theta to power n, where n is a positive integer, show that 1 theta times y dx equal to ny. And then we have the second one, theta squared times the second differential equal to n times n minus 1 times y. Without further ado, let's go straight to the solution to the question. This is the given function. Let's get the first differential, which is the y dx, okay? And that will be equal to, use the general differentiation formula. The exponent, the power will come to the front, and the same expression, the power of that minus 1, this equation times theta. So theta times the y dx will give you, we have this times theta. Then apply the law of exponent, then you have theta n minus 1 plus 1. Don't forget that this one has a power of 1, okay? Every number has a power of 1, and that will give you this the same expression. Anything to power 1, anything to power 1 is that thing. Theta is equal to, is the same thing as theta power 1. So minus 1 plus 1 we cancel, then we have n theta to power n. And this one from the given question is y. That will give you ny. So that one is done. That first part is done. Okay, then we're going to repeat the process of differentiation and get the second differential. So go to your first differential. Let's get to the first differential. Yeah, get the second differential. That will be dx of the first differential. Okay, and that will be equal to, we're going to have n times this power shift to the front. That will be n minus 1, and then this one, theta to power n minus 1 minus 1. Okay, so we're having n times n minus 1 times theta to power n minus 2. So that's what we have for this second differential. And second differential times theta 2. Second differential, which is the same thing as d squared. The second differential times theta 2. That will be equal to n times n minus 1 theta to power n minus 2, and then times what? Theta 2. That will be n times n minus 1. If you apply your indices, it's going to give you n to power n. And don't forget that this one is y. So in a conclusion, you have this. That's that on that question. If you're new on this page, on this channel, subscribe and then share the link across your different platforms. Okay, give a thumbs up to the video. Thank you. See you.